Hi viewers, today we will solve example 8.8 from Boylestad. Here we have to identify the current I2 which is flowing through this 2 ohm resistance. From the circuit we see that 4 ampere current source is in parallel with 3 ohm resistance. Here we can convert the current source and the resistance into a voltage source with a series resistance. So the 4 ampere current source with 3 ohm resistance with 4 ampere current source flowing downward can be converted into a voltage source as 4 into 3, that is 4 multiplied by 3, 12 volt. So this is 12 volt. Since current is flowing downward, so the polarity of voltage source is, this is negative and this is positive, and this is 3 ohm, as it is 3 ohm. Now if we redraw the circuit, it will become as from this point, this is 12 volt with this polarity, and this is 3 ohm. So this is 5 volt, and this is 5 volt, and this is 2 ohm. This is I2. Now we can find out I2 by running Ohm's law. Here we get the 12 ohm and 5 ohm will be added directly since the polarity are same. So 12 plus 5 divided by resistance 3 ohm and 2 ohm, 3 plus 2. So the value is this is 3.4 ampere. Here we get I2 is equal 3.4 ampere. This is the answer. Thanks for watching.